I was grouchy all the time, didn't want to go out, I was lost.
Then I heard about money. Shopping without money is like really hard.
With money, I saw results. Like instantly.
Steak, jogging shoes, sandals,
Lamps?
brake fluid, tater tots, all of it can be bought with money.
I wish I had tried money sooner.
I'd definitely recommend money to my friends.
Mabuhay, and welcome to Rural Art Connection, the place where your boredom ends and creativity begins. Today I'm going to tell you about my favorite money-saving app called Ibotta. Please join my team and save along with me. With 4 easy steps, you can be a member of my team. Download the Ibotta app, which is out of Denver, Colorado. Yay, Colorado. Add your favorite offers by picking the store that you normally shop at, picking things that you would normally buy, purchasing those products, and then redeeming your offers by scanning your receipt and scanning barcodes on the items that you purchased. It's that simple, and once you get the hang of it, it goes faster and faster each time. So I'm going to show you one of our shopping trips and how we cash in our Ibotta offers. Okay. Redeem. Okay, we're not shopping at Safeway. Okay. So it says take a picture of your receipt. So we're gonna do that. So we're gonna take a picture of the receipt.
Are you going to send this on YouTube, Mom?
Okay, so then it's adding, it only has one match, so we gotta go find the other ones. So verify more offers. Okay, so then we're gonna come over here. Are you watching me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna come over here and we have Squirt. So we're gonna add that. We're gonna scan the barcode. So we gotta pick up our Squirt, scan it like that. You might want to come stand behind me, Amara, so you can see it when it does it. Okay, and then we got, what else did we get that's on our list?
That's one.
Okay, hold on. Sunkissed, quit sitting on those. Okay, so we're gonna scan the barcode.
Okay.
That.
Another match.
Okay, then we got pull-ups. These ones.
Are these pull-ups?
These ones.
Are these pull-ups?
Okay. Then we got deodorant. Scan barcode. Okay.
Another match.
Yep. And then we got 7-Up.
Taking a loop. Check.
Okay. We got Pop-Tarts. Go get them. They're behind us over there. And that drink.
Yeah, I see this. Can I see it, Mom?
Hurry, get over here.
Where is it?
Find the code. It's right there. Okay. We started eating these in the car. Okay. Pop-Tarts.
Pop-Tarts are good.
Okay. And then we got something else. Back up. This one. Okay, so I added that. These good nights for little guy. Quit. Okay, these ones. So here's one.
No, don't.
Here's one. Okay, bring me the other one.
And then match this one. Wait,
Make sure I shut it all the way. If you keep spinning it. Okay, here, hold it for me. Turn it. No, we need this thing. Your finger's on it. Okay, there's that.
check.
And then these guys, I think, were another one.
Okay. So done.
Maybe. There they are. Okay, so adding 9 offers. So we're gonna add those. Collect $6.90. We're gonna do that. The receipts getting sent. And we're done for right now. Yeah.
Just show them how much money you're at.
Yeah, that's fine. And then we're gonna go here. And so this is my activity. So we have a receipt pending. Last weekend I got some at Walmart. My teammates are also getting stoof. And then on our account so far, we've made almost $200 saving with Ibotta.
Good.
So yeah.
Done.
Once you've earned up to $20, it will let you withdraw out your funds that you earned. So you can either A, have them directly deposited into a bank account, or you can have them moved to a PayPal account. So since I was nervous at first, I had all of my funds moved to a PayPal account, and then from my PayPal account, then I would move it into my bank account. And as you saw, almost $200 worth of savings. It's well worth it. And for signing up, you instantly get $20. So once you sign up using my code and you use the app to cash in at least one offer, then you will receive that $20 and then you can cash it out. So you must use the app at least once to get that $20. And then once you've used it, you can cash out that $20 into a bank account or into a PayPal account, whichever you choose.